Hello my dear students. Adarsh Coaching YouTube channel to manu swagat. Dear student, today we are going to study science of your class 8. Class 8, a very important chapter. Combustion and flame. A short revision about this chapter. First question is, what is combustion? Do you know what is combustion? Combustion is a chemical reaction by which substance react with oxygen, produce heat and light. The substance which react with the oxygen, produce heat and light is called your combustion. It is a chemical reaction. After combustion, the substance will not return its original position. That means paper will burn, produce ash. Similarly, coal produce ash also. Magnesium burn with the oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed, new substance. That means combustion is a chemical reaction. Oxygen सहित react करिबो substance, oxide दबो and heat and light दबो. Next question, what is a fuel and what is an ideal fuel? ताले fuel and ideal fuel. Fuel means the substance which combust after combustion. That means combustible substance. All fuels are combustible. The substance which burn with the oxygen, heat, light produce is called fuel. But ideal fuel, all fuels are not ideal. Some fuel ideal no. It is differ place to place because all the things all fuels are not available easily in for a particular place. The fuel is differ because we find fuels different places. Just like rural area naba example, your rural area and industrial city urban area. Rural area wood and cow dung cake are available easily. That's why these fuels are ideal for rural areas because they get these fuels easily and cheaply. But industrial area, we prefer LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, or CNG as a good fuel. That means fuel differ according to availability, point 1. Second, the fuel is an ideal fuel by which after the burning, after the combustion, it will not produce so much ash or harmful gases. It is major character of the ideal fuel. Ideal fuel रो गोटे major character जे ash बेसी formation करिबनी, point 1. point 2, harmful gas किसी produce करनो थो. But all combustible substance, that means all fuels, produce carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. We know that. But LPG and coal, CNG also produce less amount of smoke. Is so much harmful. Smoke produce कम करे. That means ideal fuel हिसाब रे हमें LPG को CNG को नहीं परिबा. Urban area, rural area रे हमें cow dung cake और wood को नहीं परिबा. Similarly, another character of ideal fuel is it is store and transport easily. Store करी होतबो, easily transport करी होतबो. ताले first one वाला, हाँ. Another point is it's high temperature जो fuel जलिबो केते amount रो heat दबो. से क्वालिटी गोटे बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी जहाँ को हमें कैलोरिक वैल्यू कहते. कैलोरिक वैल्यू 1 kg रो fuel burn होला परे जतिके amount रो heat दबो कैलोरी और किलो कैलोरी. कैलोरी वैल्यू मोटे क्वेश्चन देइने ताले आ गोटे क्वेश्चन हेजिबो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, what is caloric value of the fuel? What is caloric value? Write down this question also. Question number 8, what is caloric value? Caloric value कौन? 1 kg of a substance or fuel burn and produce or give द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी यूनिट कैलोरी ताले केते कैलोरी बा किलो कैलोरी एनर्जी दउची 1 kg रो सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड कैलोरी वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फ्यूल और सब्सटेंस हां देन आइडियल फ्यूल रो कैरेक्टर नाम कहि देली इजीली अवेलेबल होतो चीपली अवेलेबल होतो स्टोर करी होतो आउ आस हार्मफुल गैस बाहर नथिबो हाई कैलोरिक वैल्यू थिबो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 व्हाट आर द मेजर थिंग्स नीड फॉर combustion पाई कौन कौन दरकार फर्स्ट वन वेयर कम्बुस्टेबल सब्सटेंस और फ्यूल दरकार आउ कौन सेकंड वन इग्निशन टेम्परेचर थर्ड वन combustion को हेल्प करुवा थिंग्स जस्ट लाइक योर ऑक्सीजन ताले व्हाट आर मेजर थिंग्स फ्यूल इग्निशन टेम्परेचर एंड combustion को हेल्प करता सब्सटेंस जस्ट ऑक्सीजन these three major things needed for combustion question number 4 define combustible non combustible substance combustible दहन योग्यता को कहउछ जोटा जे जळी पारिबो the substance which burn easily with oxygen are combustible just like your paper wood charcoal CNG methane LPG non combustible the substance will not burn with help of oxygen help रे substance burn होबनी just like your iron silver are non combustible substance all metals are non combustible question number 5 by an activity so that oxygen need for your combustion oxygen need combustion by गोटे बढ़िया एक्टिविटी तो बुक रे अच्छी एक्टिविटी नंबर 4.2 फिक्स ए लाइटेड कैंडल एंड टेक 3 ग्लास चिमनी 3 नियो फर्स्ट केस रे पुट द गैस चिमनी इन दिस वे वन और टू वुडन block ताले put a candle first take a candle light it candle ले लो candle को light भी करो तापरे glass chimney cover करो candle को rest the chimney on a few wooden blocks in this way there is a space bottom of the chimney there will be some air entering space another candle burn another candle and put the glass chimney over this candle but we need not put any wooden block न देकी डायरेक्ट टेबल ऊपर हमें ग्लास चिमनी टाकू रखी दबा आउ थर्ड वन कौन करबा पुट टेक another candle light it and take the glass chimney over the flame finally put a glass plate over the chimney ऊपर गोटे glass plate दे दबा look at here there are 3 figures first one glass chimney stand on the wooden block second one glass chimney just on the table third one there is a glass chimney and also a cover ग्लास चिमनी को हमें कवर कर दीजिए then what we will see in case 1 where the glass chimney stand on the wooden block the candle will burn or light easily there is not supply of oxygen is easy bottom of the chimney there will be a air supply to this candle and the candle will burn easily comfortably no problem at all but in second case we will say that the candle will flickering because no air entering bottom of the chimney ro kichi air because the chimney stand on the table upare rest is no air space bottom of the chimney रे air space नहीं. Upper side ru chimney ro there will not so much oxygen or air, cool air enter the chimney because hot air chimney bhari jibo. The hot air always exert upward pressure. The cool air will not enter this chimney. Only a few air will enter. That means the candle will not burn easily or comfortably. ठीक से कैंडल जलिबनी, it will be flickering. But at the third case, we will see that after some time the flame will flicker and goes out. Finally goes out. Means candle ta livijibo finally because no air enter to this chimney. No air. This activity so that we conclude that air or oxygen absolutely need for your burning. It is a easy activity. Question number 6. What is the ignition temperature? It is the minimum temperature required to burn any substance. Ignition temperature means it is the minimum temperature required to burn any substance. It is the minimum temperature. It is the minimum temperature required. The minimum temperature required at which a substance catch fire. The minimum temperature need at which a substance catch fire is your ignition temperature. Now question number 7. By an activity so that ignition temperature need for combustion. It is very simple activity. This activity here. Activity number 4.4. Take two paper glass. Take two paper glasses. Dita paper glass ame naba. Put water in a glass and another glass is empty. Take two glasses. Dita paper glass naba. Put about 50 ml of water in one cup or one glass and heat them both with a candle flame. Candle flame re both ko ame heat kariba. What will you see? The paper, empty paper glass will burn easily, but the paper contain water will not burn. Why? Because the heat, the paper ignition temperature पाइले paper burn हो, but candle flame जो heat supply करिबो paper glass को, the paper will supply it to the water inside this glass. Inside this glass, the water will boil, evaporate also. Until the all water inside this glass will not vapor, the paper glass or paper cup will not burn. We conclude from this activity, ignition temperature must need to burn any substance. Without the ignition temperature, the hot summer sunny day गुड़ाक कोल माइन्स गुड़ाक जो मिथेन गैस बाहर था कोल माइन से फायर हो जाए ड्यू टू इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द गैस ignition temperature पाईगला सनलाइट दैट मीन्स it is burned easily. Similarly, the dry leaves in a forest fire हो जाए due to get the ignition temperature of this. Ignition temperature differ substance to substance ignition temperature differ करे. Just like some fuels easily fire catch करे, but the coal, wood will not catch fire easily because their ignition temperature, high ignition temperature. Next question for you. Now it is question number 9. What are the inflammable substance? The substance have low ignition temperature, catch fire easily, are called inflammable substance. Just like your CNG, LPG, alcohol, spirit, kerosene, petrol, diesel also. Then next question, how do we control fire? Fire केमती हमें control करिबा? Fire control decides करिबो 3 things control कले. What are the need for the fire or burning? Burning by जो जिनस दरकार. Point 1 is your combustible substance. ताले combustible substance must need for the combustion ताले fire control ପାଇଁ ଆମେ combustible substance को control करिबा. Second one, your ignition temperature must need for burning ପାଇଁ ignition temperature दरकार. ignition temperature जदि कम कर दबा ताले ignite हे जिवो, goes off हे जिवो fire. Similarly, third one is your oxygen supply, because oxygen supply is absolutely need for combustion. Discuss all these three things. How can you control these three things? बुक रे खूब बढ़िया अच्छी तमें ताको आराम रे लिखि परिबो. ए क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू वी कंट्रोल फायर को केमते हमें कंट्रोल करिबा, हाउ कैन डू वी कंट्रोल. फर्स्ट, वाटर स्प्रे करी इग्निशन टेम्परेचर कम करि परिबा. इग्निशन टेम्परेचर कम हे गले फायर विल गो जाओ, इग्निट हे जिवो, जळुथवा जिनसटा लिभ जिवो. सेकंड वन, कंबुस्टेबल सब्सटेंस जदि किछि इनसाइड दिस रूम, गोटे रूम फायर हो जाए सेठी कंबुस्टेबल सब्सटेंस किछि पेट्रोल, डीजल, केरोसिन एटसेट्रा और जो सॉलिड थिंग्स किबा जे इजीली फायर कैच करि परिबो से भली सब्सटेंस को हमें डिस्प्लेस कर दबा ताले द फायर विल गो जाओ. सिमिलरली अनदर थिंग्स इज ऑक्सीजन ताले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फोम स्प्रे करबा किछि फायर एक्सटिंग्विश मशीन अछि जे कि स्प्रेड कर दबो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई को कट ऑफ करिवो एंड द फायर विल गोज अप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, explain types of combustion. All types of combustion. There are 4 types of combustion. Explain करिवो एटी, carrying 4 marks question. How to control fire also carrying 4 marks of question. But what is ignition temperature or inflammable substance, and what is the calorific value, ये सब question carrying 2 marks only, carrying 2 marks. ताले explain करिबा हमें combustion. First is rapid combustion. Ignition temperature, inflammable substance गुड़ा कलर combustion को rapid combustion कहते, because ignition temperature is very low, they catch fire easily. This type of combustion is a rapid combustion, just like LPG, CNG and petrol, diesel. Next, slow combustion. Ignition temperature high thibo, coal or wood slowly burn up, slow combustion. Third one is your spontaneous. Normal temperature ru je ignition temperature